Good day, sir. I will explain Archimedes' principle and its application in maritime transportation. The Archimedes principle basically states that for something to float, like barco, the upward push from the water, and we call this buoyant force, must be equal nga gibugaton of the water it pushes aside. So for maritime transportation, when engineers design a ship, they make sure its hull is designed to displace enough nga tubig so that this buoyant force is strong enough para kusog to carry the ship entire nga kabugaton, including ang mga karga like mga passengers. This is why even big heavy ships can mulutaw ang mga dagko nga mga barko.